Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss about remote desktop services. So in the organization, it is always advisable to use licensed software. If any of the users use pirated software, there is a high chance of legal notice from that vendors. So in this picture, we can see all the users want to use Adobe software. So Adobe almost charge 600 rupees per month for a user. So if each users are using this Adobe, it may cost huge amount for the organization. So it is not good. So in that case, we will use remote desktop services. So with one license, all the users can use this Adobe through a browser. So before that, we want to know about RD Connection Broker, RD Web Access, and RD Session Host. So RD Connection Broker, it is going to connect our client machine laptop with RDS service. And RD Web Access, it will help to connect RDS application to browser and RD Session Host. So I will show you practically. So first go to PDC and we need to install this remote desktop services. So go to add roles and features, click on next. So click on this remote desktop services installation. Now click on next. So choose this option standard deployment. Click on next. And we need to install this session based desktop deployment. And click on install. These are three things which I discussed in Notepad earlier. And now click on next. So for RD Connection Broker server, we need to specify the server name and IP address. Next. And for RD Web Access also, we need to mention the IP address and the name. And click on next. And RD Session Host servers also. And click on next. Okay, everything fine. Now click on restart. Now deploy. It may take up to 10 to 50 minutes depending upon your computing speed. So system is getting restarting. Now type administrator username and password. Sign in. And now RDS server has been installed. Now click on close. Now click on remote desktop services. And click on collection and click on task, and we need to create a new session collection. In this collection, we are going to see some apps which will host to client machine. I will show you, and you name it as quick session collection. Click on next. So this is session host, our server. Click on next. And if you want to, so I'm doing it as for domain users. So if you want to do this RDS server for a particular group, you can do that. You can create a group and you can give permission according to that. And we don't want to enable this. And click on next. And confirm, create. Now we created a session collection. Close. Now go to our quick session collection. In this, we can see remote app programs. In that, go to task and publish remote app programs. So I don't have any licensed software. If you have Adobe or Photoshop like that, you can click on this add and you can add this software to this remote app programs. So I'm now going with calculator, and next one is I can do Notepad, and I am deploying Paint also. Now publish this app programs. If you want to add any other software, you can do that, but I don't have any licensed software now. So the catch is with one software license, all the users can access that application through web browser. Now published. It will create a separate session for each and every users. Now click on close. You can create a session limit also. Suppose this user want to access that application for 10 to 15 minutes, you can do that. I will show you. Go to edit properties, and in this here we can see this I discuss. Now I am giving to all the domain users. So in this section you can limit the users, how many time they can use, how many you can restrict according to that. There are two RDC servers, you can load balance in between them. Now go to client machine. So these are software we are published. If you want to unpublish, you can do that also. Now go to client machine and power on, and go to Internet Explorer. And type HTTPS 192.168.1.1 slash rdweb. Okay, rdweb. Now go to more information. Go to more information and go to web page. Click on that. So domain name and username, and give the password of your client machine. Type the password. Now sign in. So these are the application we have published on our RDS server. So if you want to use that, click on Notepad and you can use according to your wish. So this is how RDS server lab you can do.